Hey there and welcome to another episode of Jeff's Toy Box. And right now we are going to review a little bit different. Okay, so medyo lalayo tayo sa ating Blokis review and lalayo tayo ng konti sa ating Transformer review because we are reviewing or going to review a toy or a figure na I've been eyeing for so long. And since 2025, our first video natin ng 2025, why not chocolate, diba? We are going to review this bad boy. And so ito po ay ang 52 Toys Reaper. Okay, BB208 or BB028, I believe. Yeah, BB28 Reaper. And so I bought this through Shopee from the 52 Toys official store. And so far, I'm enjoying playing with this toy. So isa po siyang robot mantis. Ayan, isa po siyang robot mantis that can transform into a box. Okay? I know, kind of silly, pero it is what it is. And I'm very surprised kasi yung quality ng quality ng plastic niya and everything is very nice, and yung articulation niya is sobrang dami because of the transformation, for the transformation and also for the playability. So tingnan natin ng mabuti, or let's have a closer look with Reaper. And so it really reminds me of Battle Hopper ng Mask Rider Black or ng Kamen Rider Black. Yung kanyang head talagang nire-remind niya yung si Battle Hopper. And it comes on green, light green, metallic green, some red, silver. It works very well. The aesthetic and the figure itself, it works very well. Also, sobrang dami ng articulation niya. Sobrang dami ng articulation niya. You can do so many poses with this guy. Head, legs, so many, and articulation. Ultimo yung kanyang mga joints sa pinaka dulo ng paa niya mayroon. For the transformation, of course. Also wings. Meron siyang sa wings, and also with the thorax. Ayan, yung kanyang stomach. Stomach ba talaga? Anyway, so ayan. And also, before natin i-transform si Reaper, let's go and look at the box first. So ito yung kanyang box. And so it really reminds me, or nakikita natin dito na meron siyang, and this is a Reaper with the blueprint, parang x-ray view ng kanyang loob-looban. So 52 Toys Reaper aside, yung kanyang artwork sa likod, characters and things and warnings na hindi natin mabasa. Also, I believe this is the 52 Toys sticker, or QR sticker, so free scan for everybody. Sa kabila or sa other side, Reaper pa rin with the box mode and the beast mode, top beast box, and then characters and things na hindi natin maintindihan, and that's it with the box. Also, within the box, meron siyang included na, just give me 1 minute here, is yung kanyang instructions. Ayan. So, ayan yung instructions niya. Sa first time transforming it, medyo mahirap, pero kapag ulit-ulit mo na siyang ginawa, medyo makukuha mo rin. Kasi hindi naman siya ganun ka-komplikado. Also, kanyang card. So, meron siyang kasamang card. Okay. Yes, ito. And some additional papers. So ito yung kanyang beast box card. So nag-aano rin silang trading card with specs. Ayan, kanyang specs, kanyang artwork, bangis, ang angas. Then they have some promotional things, okay, for their upcoming or for their newest selections. So I'll try to get some of those moving forward. Ayan. So meron din sila nito na, if I'm not mistaken, that's Captain Commando, diba? Anyway, so meron din sila mga advertisement, yung mga figures nila na yung upcoming nga, ito yung mga beast box. So ito yung checkbox na pwede mong checkan or going list if ever na gusto mong anuhin lahat, kolektahin lahat. Do you have also some collaboration with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Yunus, Marvel ang Yunus na yan, or ibang Yunus yan. Ayan. So, meron silang mga iba't ibang collaborations. I believe meron silang past collaboration with, with Alien and Predator, something like that. Anyway, going back to, by the way pala, also, since binili ko to Chinese New Year, or mag-Chinese New Year, PB2 Toys is kind enough to give me some freebies. So, meron ako rito ampaw. And, Beast Box ampaw. Diba? Bangis, oh. Ang kulit. Ayan. So, medyo marami-rami. Ayan. Nakakatuwa naman. Hindi ko alam kung magkakaiba sila ng itsura. Pero I guess yes. Ay, di magkakamukha lang. Ayan. And also, a booster pack card. Ayan. Booster pack ng trading card na. Which is, i-open na natin. Tingnan natin kung naman. So, same lang to ng, ng mga trading cards na merong rare, super rare, mga ganun-ganun. So, I believe SR, ano to eh, R, SR, SSR, UR ata. Okay, anyway. So, here we go. Let's see kung ano nakuha natin. Uy, SSR agad. So, hindi ko siya kilala, pero I believe ito yung Ape. Ooh. Then, we have an SR. Yung kanilang dino to. Yung dino nila na mayroong surveillance. Uy, SR again. Nakakatuwa naman. Uy, si ano to yung Reaper na pink. Yung parang Sakura Mantis. And then we have R, regular. Ayan. I don't know how you see it well. Kasi masyadong yung lights ko. Masyadong matindi. And then lastly, si Reaper. So, hindi, yung pink pa rin pala to. Yung pink pa rin. Ayan. So, that's all the cards. Thank you, PB2 Toys, for sending me those freebies. Sobrang ganda. Okay. I really appreciate it. Anyway. So, yan. Yan. Tsaka yung card quality niya, hindi siya basta-basta. Anyway, moving to let's move all of this here. And let's move on the main event, or the main star of the review. Which is ito, si Reaper. Ayan. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is ita-transform natin siya for on his box form. Okay? And also, meron siyang lalagyan, which is yung kanyang box charger. Ayan. So, nakalagay dito is PB2 Toys 2020 Ocean box charger. Tapos pwede mo siyang i-stock kapag marami kang Beast Box. Pwede mo siyang i-stock. Ayan. So, additional storage for the robots. Anyway, so to transform Reaper, again, merong manual na pwede kang sundin, pero if you had the feel, or if you already transform Reaper for so long, or for so many times, medyo makukuha mo na kung paano. So first, let's go with the wings. Okay, so move lang natin yung wings niya, and then we're gonna collapse the wings, or fold the wings, yan, na magiging half siyang ganyan. And then, just let it on the back, hang it on the back, or let it on the back. Mamaya ayusin natin yan. Then, afterwards, yung kanyang legs, okay, i-fold lang natin yung legs niya inside the green leg, and then, like that. Okay. So, mag-form ka lang ng parang, mini fingers. Ayan, gamit yung kanyang mga legs. Then, afterwards, pag nakuha nyo na to, pag naganyan na siya, pagkasamahin nyo lang sila. Okay. Yan, pag-dikitin nyo lang yung mga legs niya, and then, just let it hang there, and mamaya babalikan natin yun. Afterwards, move to the front of the figure, and then, situate yung kanyang thingy. Sabi ni Poso kong Pupanda, thingy.
Even Mantis has those thingies.
And, into something na, fold it into 3, or on its joints, na you will form like it's preparing to punch. Parang mantis shrimp na it will prepare to punch. Yan. So, so ganyan na magiging itsura ni Reaper. Na it reminds me of Battle Hopper na naman. Anyway, so next is move the arms na hindi mo na magkakaroon ka ng space para sa ulo. Open the chest, and then as you can see, meron siyang slider dito. So, fold the head, okay, forward, facing the breast, like so. Ayan, forward, facing the breast. And then slide the head downward. So, yung pwedeng siya i-push dito para di mahirapan. Kasi kapag pinilit nyo dito, baka mabali, okay? Or baka masira yung figure nyo. Kasi medyo, I don't know, I'm not sure if matibay yung kanyang plastic. Pero, just to avoid anything na mag-crack or masira, just push this piece of plastic here para mas madali mo siyang ma-slide pababa. And it should show you this, ayan, parang ganyan, this form. Ayan. So next, ito madali na lang to. So next, what you want to do is to, you can see meron tayong dalawang joints. Fold, okay, fold the body of the mantis or reaper 90 degree, and then fold the thorax as well. Okay, so hindi siya mag-meet dun sa ulo, but ipo-fold mo pa yung last part ng thorax niya, like so. And then situate it in a way na mapifeel nyo na parang it flashes or parang it settles on the body. So as you can see, nabubuo na natin yung ating cube. Okay, next, okay, next natin gagawin is for the legs na. Okay, so before that, just move the wings down. Mamaya babalikan natin yan. Then what you want to do, or fold na pala natin yung wings na yan kasi meron tayong kailangang idugtong dyan. And the good thing about this figure is there's so many, pag pinuo mo siya into box form, there's so many pegs and slots that will help you to align everything na hindi mo siya, kumbaga parang hindi kayo mag-fidget or hindi kayo mahihirapang i-form yung cube na magkakasya dito sa box charger niya. Anyway, so next is you're going to yung legs niya na pinakamalapit sa wings, you're gonna fold it. Okay, fold it up like so. And then as you can see, meron siyang peg dito, here, ito peg, and then sa wings meron siyang slot. So, peg and slot, align nyo lang yan. Ito yung sinasabi ko na kailangan nyong i-align or kailangan nyong makuha yung feel kung paano nyo i-align yan, and then kung paano nyo siya maikakabit. So, just yan, ayan. Okay, so as you can see, the legs is what do you call this, is aligned on the wings. Yan, parang relax na relax yung legs natin dun sa wings niya. Align na align siya. And the peg and the slots is holding it together. So the same goes with the other one. Okay, sabi nga ni Mgo, second verse same as first one. Okay, so the same, there goes. And then what you want to do next is that yung legs na yung pangalawang legs, align nyo lang siya, and then you're gonna put it together alongside the first leg. Ayan. Okay, so halfway there. Okay, next is itong thingy niya, yung kanyang arms, you're gonna fold it down. Okay, and then again you have here a peg, and you have on the legs a slot. Hindi mo siya masyadong makita, pero ito yan. Okay, so slot and peg, so align and connect. Ayan, same goes here, align and connect. Ayan. Okay, then lastly, sa antenna wala tayong masyadong magagawa, or I don't see anything na pwedeng gawin sa antenna unless you can put it inside here na madideport. Yun kasi parang pinaka downfall ni Reaper. We don't have anything or anywhere to put the antenna, or I don't know if meron, but for me, so far wala akong alam na pwedeng ilagay yung antenna kasi nilagay yung antenna. So I'll just leave it as is. Ang problema is, kaka-transform mo, put it into box, nadideform siya. So, kapag tinransform mo siya into mantis, nagmumukha na siyang handlebar na medyo not really looking good. But anyway, yung last part ng thorax niya, okay, which has this clear plastic, ipo-fold mo lang siya to cover the head, and it will snuggle perfectly dun sa cavity above the head of Reaper. Okay, then lastly sa baba, okay, nag-earn na siya ng kusa. Ayan. So you have here the siguro pwede natin tawagin skirt armor or something na sa likod niya. So, meron tayong slot. Meron tayong slot, and then meron tayong peg. So, just push it. There you go. And then, just situate the red pieces here. And meron tayo ulit. And so, peg, then slot. Ayan. So, peg, slot, push, push. Then, lastly, this one, ito yung parang pinaka-lock niya. Ilalagay mo na siya, situate mo na siya dito para mag-lock na siya. And there you have it. You have Reaper on its box mode. And syempre, ito yung nasabi ko, open the charger, open the box charger, and you can put it there. There you go. And nakastore na si Reaper, and it's now charging. So from box to Mantis mode, sobrang bilis lang yung i-transform. Again, hindi siya madali, or let's say medyo mahihirapan ko on the first try, especially because the toy comes on beast mode. Medyo mahihirapan ka to transform it, pero as long as you're following the manual, you can transform it into box mode. And then just, it's a matter of transforming the beast or the figure from box mode to robot mode or to beast mode several times to get the feel, para makuha mo yung pinaka-feel on how to transform it. And then, magiging parang ano na lang siya, parang Rubik's Cube na lang siya na hindi ka na mahihirapan mag-transform. But anyway, that is 52 Toys Reaper. Now, moving forward, or I'm not sure, first of all, the toy is very nice, and I like the feel of the plastic, although wala siyang ratchets or whatsoever na medyo mabigatang transformation. It still is fun to transform, and the figure is very nice looking. Okay? Maganda siya. All of the paint, the mold, everything is so unique. I'm considering to buy more para lang makapag-stock tayo, or makita ko yung parang way ng stocking niya. And at the same time, meron siyang mga additional toys kasi na triple transformer siya or triple changer siya. So, meron siyang vehicle, beast, and then meron siyang box form. It's not that I'm going to let go of Transformers entirely. Actually, I already placed an order for the Blow Case Transformer Wave 6. I'm just waiting for the figure for us to review. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get some Beast box pa moving forward. Also, I know the channel is moving too slow. But bear with me mga kapatid, medyo nabibisi lang, but when I find time, I'm gonna do some reviews. But anyway, that is it for 52 Toys BB28 Reaper. Ayan, Beast Box Reaper. Do I recommend it? Yes. If you have any kumbaga parang if you want variety on your collections, why not pick it up, diba? Hindi ka mag-isisi, I believe. I believe kasi medyo natuwa ako. But anyway, that is it for today's episode. Thank you very much for watching, and hope na sana nagustuhan yung episode natin for today. Kita-kits tayo sa next episode, and you have a great day. Bye!